In the 3 earlier videos, we saw how inputting the project requirements can produce immediate results for ready review and revision. In this video, we'll see how Catalyst structures and reports information at a high level based on the owner's business case and then allows you to drill down into the details. From our Project Set console, we select this dropdown. The project dashboard, project editing, and import-export features will be addressed in future videos. Let's get started with the reporting by selecting the program-based results. This summarizes the project set, showing the attributes on the left and the program areas and costs rolled up into the functional groups or departments on the right. Catalyst predicts likely mean and range areas based on the owner's functions. It does so for each department or functional group, science class labs in this case. It also reports the core and common areas. The MEP and IT area, for example, is based on the building type and scope, HVAC approach, climate, number of floors, and other attributes. Here we see the project costs summarized by project component groups, site, core, and shell, and program spaces. You will recall from the last video that Catalyst produces a UF level 2.5 cost model for each of these components. Here we see the dramatic variation in cost intensity in the fit out of program spaces, ranging from the office conference areas at $129 per square foot to the research labs at $921 per square foot. This proves, for custom buildings, that there is no other way to reliably predict and steer project outcomes than by department and function. Catalyst performs in real time what would take many days to produce using conventional methods and does so more accurately, as you will see in future videos. Finally, we can express the facility outcomes in terms that are meaningful to the owner or occupant. In this example, we see that a classroom costs less than $1 million compared to a $2.7 million chemistry teaching lab. The Catalyst vision includes the life cycle and total cost of ownership modeling and analysis, the only way to ultimately assess true value. Knowing the program requirements and first cost by function is critical to relating the facility to the owner's business case and pro forma.